Welcome to the Crypto Geek official YouTube channel, guys. Hope you guys are doing well. In this video update, we will be definitely talking about WIF. So if you guys are new on this channel, guys, make sure to subscribe to my channel. Make sure to hit the notification bell icon. If you guys are not in my Discord, the link of my Discord is in the description. Get into my Discord right now. So guys, before wasting any time, let's get going. At the time of recording this video, WIF is basically trading around almost $2.44, and it's pumping very well. And if you guys, I will definitely show you a few of the important stuff which I already talked about today, and then we longed, and I already called out this long position in my free Discord and on my X account as well. If you focus overall right here, come on, what just happened? So if you focus overall right here in my Discord, I told every single person that we are forming this sort of a double bottom right here, and we already had some sort of a bullish retest on this thing as well, right? If you focus overall right here, so come on, what just happened, guys? So I just told every single person that we had this double bottom right here, and we had a bullish retest. Once we start to flip above, this is a local resistance, right? Once you start to flip above, we will send it well hard, and I told every single person to keep an eye upon it, right? Now after that, I saw some sort of a strength, and I definitely took a risk on WIF, and then I called out this free long position exactly in my free Discord and in my premium Discord. You guys can exactly say this is a little bit high risky play because it was still under the resistance, right? But I told definitely you guys can definitely long, and once we start to flip above, we can definitely, this would be the confirmation. And if you focus overall right here, we are definitely 9% up, and this is a beautiful volume coming on the 4-hour time frame right here. Come on, what just happened, guys? Now if you focus overall, it is a very simple thing to look after right now. On the 15-minute time frame, it is very simple. I told you guys this was a bullish retest. You guys can exactly say this, how beautifully it was bullishly, like this was a bullish retest, right? And after this we went up, and then we retested this level, and then we send it to the upside, right? Now this is very beautiful structure. In the meantime, if you focus overall, let me show you on my in the meantime, I already called out this free Solana trade as well. So I called out this free Solana trade in my premium Discord, in my free Discord basically, and this is like I told every single person yesterday, we will definitely long at $156. SL would be $152, and this is a free Discord. That's why I tell you guys, if you don't want to join my premium Discord, you guys can definitely make, like, you guys can definitely have a big amount of value. Exactly, my free Discord as well. So 152 was the SL, 160 was the first TP, and you guys can exactly see this. We entered right here, and then exactly 160 is hit on Solana. So our first TP, another free trade is also running, and it's already in profit. So we are up of almost 9% on WIF. The first support right now is exactly $2.36, and the main important retest zone is basically $2.29 all the way up to $2.23. This is the main retest zone. And the next resistance is exactly $2.50, and then $2.64, and then the next is exactly $2.90, where exactly my full TP is. I hope so it makes sense for you guys. The point is, this is my this is yesterday's call, right? This is yesterday's call on Solana. So the point is, if you guys want to join my premium Discord, you guys can definitely join my Discord right here. Once you join my Discord, you will go to the pre-VIP channel. These are the subscriptions for my premium Discord. We trade every single day, guys. You guys can definitely go and check out my shots on my YouTube channel every single day, guys. Every single day we trade. So these are the wallets. You will send subscription amount into these wallets given right here, and you guys will be sending the screenshot of the owner of the Discord, and you guys will be added into the premium Discord. I hope it makes sense for you guys. As always, until next time, take care of yourself.